Speed matters, but legacy systems, siloed data, and security gaps, they're working against you. Digital agility means building foundations that evolve with you, at scale, with confidence. By transforming your applications and data with Unisys, your organization can operate smarter and faster to accelerate innovation. Think AI-powered modernization, AI-ready data foundations, and secure-by-design architecture, all tailored to your future. With Unisys, you're reshaping how people, processes, and technology work together. The result? Outcomes that matter. Real-time insights, smarter automation, faster outcomes, competitive advantage. It's digital agility, delivered through application and data solutions that are secure, scalable, and ready for whatever comes next. Break through complexity. Enable smarter decisions. Act in real time. Ready to enhance your digital agility? We're here to help.